Good morning, children. In the previous class, I have completed the lesson. So, I have to give the question and answers. Now, I am going to give question and answers only. As usual, objectives and all you have to write in the textbook itself. Question and answers you have to copy in the classwork notebook. So, one day or the other, anyhow, we will ask the classwork notebook and we will check. Okay. So, let us take pencils in your hand. Open your book and we will go. Take page number 257. What page you have to take? 257. First one, choose the correct answer. The process of placing seeds in the soil is called as page number 257. Choose first. Take pencils in your hand. The process of placing seeds in soil is called as sowing. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Sowing. And second one, organism that control insects and pests of plant crop is earthworms. Which organism control? Organism, living thing. So we have to write earthworms. And third one is the method in which water flows over the soil surface and allow it to infiltrate is option A, irrigation is correct. A, irrigation. And fourth one, effective microorganism preparation is not used in seed treatment. Option A is the correct answer. Seed treatment. So, choose the correct answer. First one is B, sowing. C, earthworm. A, irrigation. And the next one also A, seed treatment. Now, next we have to say fill in the blanks. That is the process of actively growing seedling from one place and planting into the main field for further growth is called transplanting. That is, plant state removed and taken to the other place. From the place of A, it is planted to B. So, this is known as what? Transplantation. Transplanting. Transplanting. Okay, transplanting. Next one is dash is a plant growing in a place where it is not wanted, unwanted plant. Unwanted plant is weed. W-E-E-D. And the third one is the chemicals used for killing the weeds or inhibiting the growth are called herbicides. Herbicide. H-E-R-B-I-C-I-D-E-S. Herbicides. The fourth one is dash seeds transfer the unique characteristics to the descendants. Descendant means what? Next generation. That is heirloom. H-E-I-R-L-O-O-M. Heirloom seeds. And fifth fill-up. Dash center serves as the ultimate link between ICAR and farmers. That is Krishi Vigyan Center. And let me see the spelling first properly. Krishi, K-R-I-S-H-I. Krishi Vigyan, V-I-G-Y-A-N. Center, Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Krishi Vigyan Kendra. And the last one. Several popular high-yielding varieties of major crops have been developed by Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Indian Agricultural AGRI. Agricultural Research Institute. RESEARC Research Institute INSTITUTE. Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Indian INDIAN Agricultural AGRICULTURAL Research RESEARCH Institute INSTITUTE. Clear? Next we have to go for match the following. Match. I am writing answers alone. Biopesticide, first one for that answer is Bacillus thuringiensis. Answers alone I am writing Bacillus thuringiensis, GIENIS. Second answer is biopredators, that is biopredators, they control white flies. And third one, biofertilizer, they are improve soil fertility. Improve soil fertility. And fourth one is bioindicators, quality of environment. Quality of environment. And last one is biorepellents, neem leaves. Then regarding question and answers, answer briefly. Only we have taken the selected topics only. So if you have taken the selected topics, I have to give the question and answers that are related to that only. So what are the questions? Answer briefly we have to take down 1, 2, 6, 8. Only 4 questions I have to give. Answer briefly. I have to give only 1, 2, 6, 8. First question. All the other questions are omitted. First one, define ploughing. Define ploughing is in page number 245. Children, take page number 245. Here, under the heading ploughing, that is opposite side, 245. Ploughing or tilling, that paragraph fully. Ploughing or tilling is the process of loosening and turning the soil up and down to facilitate the availability of nutrient in the root zone of the cultivating crop. That is first all the 4 lines. Under the heading ploughing, 4 lines are given. All the 4 lines you have to write for this answer. So it's in page number 245. One second. Page number I have not written. And next question is, name the methods of sowing. It's in page number 246. Other questions are omitted. 246. Take 246. Question is, name the methods of sowing. 246. Under the heading sowing of seeds. Under the heading sowing of seeds, last line. Various methods. Did you find out? Under the heading, that under thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th line. Various methods are followed down one. Various methods for sowing seeds are. Various methods are, no, strike out are and write only various method for for sowing the seeds are. ARER. ARER you have to write here. Instead of writing there, you have to write the EO. So your beginning will be various method for sowing the seeds. Next to seeds you have to write ARER. Say seeds are. Here underline the method only. Underline the headings alone. Sowing by hand. Underline the heading seed drill and dibbling. Underline the headings alone. Children, can you follow what I said? At the headings, what are the headings given? The various method for sowing seeds are sowing by hand, seed drill and dibbling. DIBBLING. Only the words is headings you have to underline. So it's in page number 246 under the heading sowing the seeds. Last line, various methods are for sowing the seeds. Next to seeds you have to write by yourself ARER. Underline the heading sowing by hand, seed drill and dibbling. Okay, clear? 2 questions and question number 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5 omitted. 6th one is the numbers what are not given here is omitted. What do you mean by wedding? Sorry, what do you mean by weeding? It's in page number 249. Weeding it is, that is unwanted plants are growing in between the crops. We have to remove that. That process is known as what? Weeding. So in page number 249 under the heading weeding, first line. In an agricultural field, in an agricultural field, did you find out? Page number 249. In an agricultural field, many other undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the main crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. The removal of weed is called weeding. Close the bracket. The removal of weed is called weeding. Did you find out or not? Page number 249. Children, again go through the answer. In an agricultural field, under the heading weeding I said, many other desirable plants may grow naturally along with the main crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. The removal of weeds is called weeding. Clear? And next one, question number 8. What are green manure? What are green manure? It's in page number 247. So how many short answer in this? Only 4 short answer. 247. Children, take down 247. We have to mark what is green manure. 247. The opposite side, under the heading adding manure and fertilizers in the second paragraph. Under the heading manure, second paragraph, first line itself. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plants or animal waste. Farmers dump plant and animal waste in the pits at open places and allow it to decompose. The decomposed matter is used as organic manure. Clear? That is green manure, organic manure, both are same only. That is second paragraph from the first line to fifth line. Manure is from there to organic manure. Clear? So short answers over. We have to go for the detailed answer. Detailed answer exactly we cannot mark in the book. So let me write on the board, just you copy down from the board as it is. Clear, children? If I give this answer completely, no. That's all. There is no portion. We have completed everything. Only thing, one paragraph answer I have to give, I think from sound lesson, that I will give afterwards. Okay? Let us go for the detailed answer. Take a classwork notebook and directly you can copy down in the classwork. Answer in detail. Copy the first one, question first one. Explain the agricultural practices. Answer. The agricultural practices are first one, soil preparation. Soil preparation. The most important aspect in agricultural processes loosen the topsoil is to loosen the top soil. Full stop. Okay. Then second one, ploughing. After loosening the soil, we have to make ploughing. It is a process of loosening and turning the soil up and down to facilitate the availability of nutrient. The third one is leveling. Leveling of soil is then with an implement 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 called. Okay children, let me continue. Already we have given short answers, only one detailed answer. In the 3 points I have given, this is the fourth point. So first one is soil preparation, ploughing, and third one is leveling. Fourth one is basal manuring. Basal manuring. You have to write as it is with the side headings. Manure is added to increase, added, A-double-D-E-D, added to increase the fertility of the soil. Fertility of the soil. Fourth one. Fifth point is sowing seeds. These are the agricultural practices. Sowing seeds. Various methods of sowing seeds are what are the methods? By hand, by seed drill, and dibbling. D-I-B-B-L-I-N-G. And sixth point, next one is adding manure and fertilizers. Fertilizers. To enhance. Enhance means what? Increase. To enhance the growth of plants. The basal manuring to enrich the soil. After the seeds sown, we are adding the thing that is adding manure. That is for the growth of the plants, not for the soil. Clear? Then after that the plants will grow up. Then we have to go for irrigation. We have to water the plants. Irrigation. What is irrigation? The supply of water to crops at regular intervals. Is called irrigation. Two different methods are of irrigation are traditional and modern method. Next irrigation what? We have to remove the unwanted things. Weeding. Next one is weeding. Weeding. The weeds are undesirable plants Removal of these plants, removal, R-E-M-O-V-A-L, removal of these plants is called weeding. Over. And then only two more points. Next one is harvesting crops. H-A-R, harvesting crops. This is the last stage of the process. Harvesting, the process of cutting, C-U-T-T-I-N-G, the process of cutting and gathering. Gathering crops is called harvesting. H-A-R-V-E-S-T-I-N-G, harvesting. The three methods of harvesting are manual, that is by man, mechanical, by machine, and machine harvesting. Machine harvesting. And the last one is storage. Storage of food grain. It is not the easiest process. It's not a simple process. Farming is, that is, agriculture is not a simple process. What are the process behind it, you see? Finally, we are going for the storage of food. It is an important aspect. Because all the farmers' work lies in this only. After the production, it should be stored. Before harvest, before storing, harvested crops harvested grains harvested grains should be made free from moisture. moisture. Moisture to avoid the growth of microorganism. Microorganisms. Full stop there. Food grains are collected in gunny bags. Gunny bags means what? Sack. Sack rice போடுறீங்க பாருங்க, that one. And the sack. Gunny bags and then stored in godown. Stored in godowns. So what are the process involved in that? So agriculture is not the easiest process, no? First we are ploughing and leveling the thing, and then what I said, ploughing, and then next to ploughing we are going for leveling, then basal manuring, sowing of seeds, and then adding manure and fertilizers, then irrigating, weeding. After weeding, we have to harvest the crops, then we have to store. So how many processes involved in it? 9 big processes are involved in agriculture. That is how to make the plant to grow and how does it come into the market till that. Okay children, now this lesson is over. Last lesson. Actually in this lesson I gave choose, fill up and match everything fully. Only short answers as per the syllabus I gave only 4 answers, that is 1, 2, 6, 8, and detailed answer only 1. Now as per the science concern, I have completed all the lesson. In the sound lesson I think there is no detailed answer is not given. Children take sound lesson now. It's in page number water lesson, sorry. Water lesson, I have to give the detailed answer, I think so. Take page number 139, actually water lesson is. The question and answers are given in page number 154. In this water lesson also, I gave choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, true or false, match, give reasons, Define the following, everything I gave. Define the following, I gave only 1, 2 and 5. Now we will see for the water lesson, what are the incomplete works I will give now. We are going for the new lesson. The incomplete things, already I gave everything, only I have to give detailed answer, I hope so. Anyhow, let me recall what all I gave for you. Lesson number 12, water. The left of question and answers I have to give. Okay, choose a give, fill up, true or false match, give reason, define only 1 to 5. Define that all the answers 1 to 5. And then answer in brief, that is Roman number 7. I gave 1, 2, 3 and 5. And answer in 7 in detail. Answer in detail. This thing only I have to give. First one and second one. First one and second one. First one is Abyss water purified at purification plant that I gave already. That's in page number 146. I gave the answer. I hope so. I remembered. And second one, what is permanent hardness of water? How it can be removed? This answer only I have not given. This is page number 147 and 148. Children, take page number 147 first. Here 147, page number, the last paragraph, the diagram is there, no, 13.7. Next to the diagram, that paragraph from down 3 lines, from down third line. Permanent hardness results due to, did you find out or not? That paragraph from down third line, permanent hardness results due to the presence of chloride, sulfate, salt of calcium and magnesium. Then close the bracket. Then you have to removal of hardness. Page number 147. Different methods are followed to remove the hardness from water depending on whether it's temporary hardness or permanent hardness. Some of them are explained below. In that first one, you don't need to write boiling. And you have to go for adding washing soda, ion exchange and distillation. That is, washing soda is used to remove permanent hardness of water from that to that paragraph full, next paragraph full, and fourth paragraph distillation, purest form of water till that. Children, do you understand or not? First one we are saying what is permanent hardness. Then in page number 148 we have said what are the kinds of hardness, how it is removed. Adding washing soda full, ion exchange, distillation. The 3 paragraphs together. The beginning in 147 what you have to write means permanent hardness result due to presence of chloride and sulfate salts of calcium and magnesium. This is under the diagram, the first paragraph from down third line. Clear? That is the definition. After definition, you have to write the removal process, 3 process. Washing soda, ion exchange, distillation. Okay, children, science completed. So, lessons I gave already. And the physics 1 to 6 lesson. And chemistry 9 to 13. And biology 16 to 21. So, we'll say what are the portions for the annual exam afterwards. Okay, thank you, children.